This is the software that we use to control our signs. So on first glance, over here we have our sign list. So if you've got one sign, you might have a fleet of signs. They're over here on the left. Over on the right-hand side, we've got a map, GPS map, which shows you where the location of the sign is in question, the one sign that's highlighted. And we also have the diagnostics of the sign, battery voltage and sign status, dimming levels, etc. So all we need to do, if we want to create a new message for the sign, we click up here on our little, what's that, palette icon, and we just start typing. That's all there is to it. Test message, and we'll just save that as our first frame. So over here are our frames. We have 1 to 12 frames over here. Go up, and to save that into here, you just click on the frame you want to save it to, and press the plus button. Our next frame, we just start typing again. So road works. Can't spell. You see how it resizes, so let's add another line. Roadworks, there we go, and we can click on that box and add that up here, and that's our second frame done. We can also go up to here to images up here, and we can use some regular images. There's all the usual ones. Reduce speeds and detour ahead. Maybe we'll just use our other sign man here. We'll put him on this frame over here, number 3, and send it to there. So when we want to send that to the sign, all we need to do is click on the envelope, and we get pop-up, which is now on the other screen. So here it is. It says, are you sure you want to send the message to this sign? And yep, happy to do that. So we click OK, and then you get another confirmation saying, yes, it's uploaded successfully. Now, if you've got a 5-color sign, it's much the same. So click over here on a 5-color sign. And straight away up here, you'll see we have a color palette to work with now. And so it's just a case of picking a color. So let's go with blue and red, green, and yellow. Enter, and SG. And then we have a test message. It's the same thing again. We'll send it over here, click on the frame, and add it to the frame. And then same thing up here, you've got images, and you've got some color road working ones now you didn't have before, and it's over 100. Add it to the second frame over here, click on the plus, and there you have it. So to send this now to the sign, all we need to do is click on the envelope up here, as though we're emailing it to the sign, and that is done. Brings up a dialog box. You say, are you sure you want to send it to this sign? Okay, and another dialog box pops up and says the message is uploaded successfully. There's other tools you can cut and paste. So let's do something here quickly. You can draw. I don't know what that is, but let's do that. Oh, say I've made a mistake. I want to move that. I can just highlight that section there. I can up here. I can cut that, and I can move that somewhere else and paste it. And that's how easy it is to use our VMS director program.